Want to create a contact form using Elementor? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step, quick and easy. Meanwhile, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. Now, open your browser and log in to your WordPress admin panel. Head to Pages, and then All Pages, and select your contact page, because we are here to make a contact form. So click on Edit with Elementor to launch the editor. In the Elements panel, search for Form, then drag and drop the form widget onto the page. A basic form will appear with fields like name, email, and message. On the side menu panel, click on the name field to change the label to first name and update the placeholder. Toggle on the Required option if you want users to fill it out. Then, duplicate this field by clicking on the copy icon, rename it to last name, and adjust the placeholder accordingly. Now, move to the email and message fields. Mark them as required if needed. Required fields will show a red asterisk so visitors know what's mandatory. Click on the Send button to customize it. And under Actions after Submit, you can choose what should happen after submission, like sending an email. In the Email section, set the email address where you want the visitor's submissions delivered. You can also tweak the From Email, From Name, and Reply To settings for better control. Then, scroll through additional settings like step settings or advanced options if needed. Once everything looks good, hit Publish in the top right corner. Use the preview icon to see the form in action. And that's it! Your contact form is live and functional. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.